Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I love me some online auctions and sales. And I recently went to Katie's Tribe of 5 and my heavy box came today. I didn't realize I bought that much. I'm hoping I bought a book or something because this box is heavy. You see what I used my old X-Acto knives for? To try to get into boxes. Here we go. So, oh yes, I did. Good. I remember getting this Victorian wedding photo album. And I'm going to use it to put my great-grandparents' photos in. Oh no, it's a part. I didn't realize it was a part. Well, I have some PVA glue. I can fix it. Oh no. Anyway, I can fix it. But I thought it was beautiful. And I'm going to put their photos in it. And I paid $12 for it. I think I can fix it. Oh yeah, I remember getting this too. Yep, that's what I got was books. This one's called Gardening Made Easy, but I got it mostly for the pictures for botanical journals. And it is loaded, absolutely loaded with beautiful floral pictures. I might do some digis with it and some collages and stuff. For my own personal use, of course, because I love botanicals, and I also volunteer in the state parks, and every journal I give to anybody that works there is always a botanical. So this was my auction items from Katie. That book is heavy. And my next box that came today was from Miss Natasha, and this is a regional rate box A. My post office does not have these. I asked them. But I like the size of this box. Really good size. Now I'm going to open it upside down because I don't want her address to show. Little man loves him some pencils. I got 2 packs of pencils for $1. I mean, look at all these pencils in here for $1. And he always loses them, so those come in handy. And then I got some starry trim. Isn't that beautiful? That'll be beautiful on a Christmas stocking. I love this piece. And then I got some more starry trim. I got some silver. And I got some pink and gold. I'm not going to take them out of the bag because I just had to put them back. And these I got to use for some handmade Christmas stockings I'm making. And Natasha is Journey of Crafting. And she has some really good stuff in her sales. So you need to check out her sales as well. And I had bought a handmade card from her. To make a card for my sister-in-law. I bought this to make dangles with. Actually, this one's going to be for purse charms. It's really heavy, really heavy. I don't know if this will work or not. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't work, what the heck? I only paid $4 for it. I can use it for something else. If it doesn't work, I'll try it for a wall hanging. Okay, I bought this pattern because I do sew, and I more wanted the bottom part because I like the lay of it, but I like this little outfit right here too. And what else did I get? Let me just get everything out of the box if I can. Oh, yes. I bought some of the fabric, a lot of fabric, of the Paris fabric, and I wanted this scallop to make the balance, so I bought this whole pattern for $1 just so I could get the balance to put over my curtains I've already made. And then look at this sari. Look at this sari. I'm getting a lot of the blue saris from different people because I'm making the boys a bed covering. And being in Florida, it has to be pretty lightweight. So, yeah, buying blue ones. So, she put it on black cardstock, which is pretty neat. Look at the size of these bad boys. That is a good size. And all that time you spent ironing this on, look at it. It's all wrinkly. That's cute. Yeah, I love these colors. And you get a lot in it. But a lot of these colors are going to go on theirs. Anything pink isn't. That's going on another project. But I also wanted to try to do like a front cover on a stocking, just cover the quilted part with sari. Anyway, I'm not going to open them all yet. Then I got this color, just black and orange. This one, and this one. These two are going to go in the boys' blankets. This one and this one is for the boys. And this one's going in the other project. Aren't they beautiful? This one will probably go to the... Yeah, I'm going to give that to the boys. This one, I'm hoping is laying the right way when I open it. It can be a stocking top. I absolutely love this one. That is very fall. There's a beautiful purple and green one down here. Kind of got stuck up in there when it was mailed. And these are going to boys' covers. And this one's laying the right way that it could be the top for a stocking. Quit giving my ideas away. Somebody else will be doing them. I love all of these. Ooh. This is gorgeous. But they're good sized pieces. And these are absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I went crazy on this sari. I always do. Look at this one. That is beautiful. And then I got some Halloween cards so I could send them out to my sister-in-laws. Because I don't have time to do cards. I don't like to make cards, period. But I love that she put this pink in here. It kind of just feminines up the Halloween. So that was my mail for today. Don't forget, guys, if you want to be entered into all those We Are Memory Keepers punch boards I'm giving away, go check for that video and follow the instructions on that. And it's pretty simple. Just send me one already decorated pennant to make into a banner, or you can send an entire banner. It's up to you. I have decided, though, if someone sends an entire banner, let's say there's 5 pieces on the banner, 5 pennants, then their name is going to be entered 5 times. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.